Shout out to shit soils. Don't forget that.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen.
Shit soils, that one's for you, but oh, that one was poop. Shout out to shit soils on that fart. Shit soils. Shout out to shit soils for those farts. Oh. Man, Jesus Christ, shit soils, what have you done to me? And ooh, shit soils for that fart. Woo!
Oh, Jesus!
Shit soils. Shit soils.
Get out.
Oh, man. Rug me. Oh, me. I just might.
Good.
I might shit myself. I'm gonna shit myself soon. Ooh. I'm leaking, dude. Yes. Shout out to shit soils for the fart. And shout out to shit soils.
It sure does. You. Jesus fucking Christ. You want to check yourself.
I technically can't call out. It is only a Sunday. It's time and a half.
I know.
Shout out to shit soils for that fart. Malt liquor.
Straight. Wow.
Oh, that one hurt.
Yeah.
That one may have been poop.
3. That was uncalled for.
Listen. Shout out shit soils. Shout out to shit soils. Shout out to shit soils for that part.
Oh, here we go.
Shit
There we go.
soils. All those burps. Oh.
Wow. Shout out
good
to
one.
fucking
Shit soils.
Clockwork.
Good.
Shout out to shit soils. I think I'm the only one that farts on video. Oh man.
Ladies. Jesus Christ.
Shout out to shit soils. For you guys. Malt liquor. Is this?
You better keep these shit soils.
Ooh, shit soils. Shout out to shit soils. I might just poop myself later tonight. Ooh, shout out to shit soils on that one.
No whammies, no whammies.
Shout out to fats, shit soils, all that. Hey. Ooh, shout out to shit soils. Shout out to fats. Ooh, shout out to shit soils. Malt liquor and farts. Malt liquor and beefing.
Because then you just puke on my floor.
Shout out to shit.
I'll never get a job.
Shout out to shit soils. Oh. Shout out to shit soils for that fart. Shout out to shit soils, a man who needs no introduction.
Malt liquor is sexy. I've said that before and I'll say it again. Malt liquor is sexy. So are farts. Wow.
Ooh,
First time.
it was a fluke. Oh, shout out to shit soils. Good stuff, brother. Mmm.
You burnt my mannequin.
Gassy one tonight, folks, huh? Ooh, shout out to shit soils for that stinky one. Farts.
Oh, damn, let him rip.
Can't even see how tight my vagina is. Was that a fart?
That was a giant fart.
That was a good fart. Sorry, my.
And I'm gonna let another one rip.
I'm melting. Yeah, just starting a new chapter. Oh. Shout out to rugby.